and it has finally arrived. As you have seen in the video title, yes, this is the Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus cover. Just the cover, you're right, without the keyboard, cause I don't need that. By the way, that clicking sound you're hearing is my Sigma lens doing its autofocus job. I hope it doesn't bother you, but I apologize about it. Anyways, let's open this. It arrived in a nice Samsung white box and it has a nice clear hard plastic packaging. Now, I'm not so in love with Samsung, but I trust them enough. You like that? Nice texture, sweet to touch, smoother than my Invilan case. Let's see the inside. Of course, the feeler to keep its form in the packaging. Okay, feels so light to touch, with a nice space there for the S Pen. I'm starting to love this. Let's take the S7 Plus from the Invilan case. This is getting a bit challenging. As you've seen in my previous video, this seals the S7 Plus in place a bit tightly. I think I just bent my tablet. Seriously? Oh, shame. I think I actually did. Never mind. Wait, I'm quite bothered. Still feel a splat on the table though. Anyhow, we can move on. Let's stick it on to the Samsung cover. This cover houses the S7 Plus tablet in place through the magnetic system integrated in the S7 Plus and in the cover, which makes the two attach to each other in snaps. Size-wise, it is virtually the same as the Invilan case, since it has the extra width for the S Pen parking. My fear with this case is that 70% of the edges of the sides of the S7 Plus is physically unprotected. So if I accidentally drop this tablet and have those sides hit the floor, you know what may happen. I am even hesitant to put this in my backpack due to lack of confidence on this cover. But if I will just live and use this tablet on my work table, I shouldn't be too concerned about scratching or denting the sides of it. Here's an updated script. I have already been using this cover for a month now, and I never used the Infilant cover yet again. This seems to be my preferred cover now, because number 1, it's lightweight, and number 2, it looks sleek. Overall, I'll give this cover a score of 8 over 10 because physical safety is number 1 for me. It may not be the case for many of you, but having used this cover for a month now, there were already several occasions that the magnet fails on tripod or angular viewing position. So for me it's kind of, you know what I mean, right? So that's it for this video, guys. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe now if you want more. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.